Here I am, Amulya Sood of class 10th A from Aisha School Parvanu with my project work of social science on the topic sustainable development. This is my certificate. This is my acknowledgement. This is the index of my project file. Introduction. Sustainable development is the organization principle which was started by United Nations for meeting human development goals while simultaneously sustaining the ability of natural systems to provide the material resources and ecosystem services on which the economy and society depends. There are 17 goals under sustainable development. No poverty. The main aim of the goal is to end poverty in all its forms everywhere by 2030. Zero hunger. The main aim of the goal is to end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. Good health and well being. The main aim of the goal is to ensure healthy lives and promote well being for all at all the ages. Quality education. The main aim of the goal is to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Gender equality. The main aim of the goal is to grant women and girls equal rights and opportunities to live free without discrimination or any violence. Clean water and sanitation. The main aim of the goal is to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Affordable and clean energy. The main aim of the goal is to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Decent work and economic growth. This goal aims to promote sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. This goal aims to build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. Reduced inequality. This goal aims to reduce inequality within and among the countries. Sustainable cities and communities. The main aim of the goal is to make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. Responsible consumption and production. The main aim of the goal is to ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. Climate action. The main aim of the goal is to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. Life below water. The main aim of the goal is to conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. Life on land. The main aim of the goal is to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably managed forests, combat desertification, and halt and reserve land degradation and halt biodiversity loss. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. This goal promotes peace and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all the levels. Partnership for the goals. This goal aims to strengthen the means of implementations and revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. The conclusion. Sustainable development is largely about people, their relationships with each other in a context where nature society imbalances can threaten economic and social stability because climate change, its drivers, its impacts, and its policies are responsible to interact with economic productions and services. This is my bibliography from where I have taken the context. You can see the sites. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.